Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Clark's Vlogs. And today, we are going to be an unboxing of a package from To Go of Young Living Essential Oils. So, let's start unboxing and explore what's in the package. Go! Desert Mist Essential Oil Ultrasonic Diffuser. Let's see what's inside. And this one is maybe the oil. Maybe this is the oils. Each basic starter kit contains inside 1 aroma line, 10 sample oil bottles, and 10 business cards. Box. Let's see what's inside. Another box with the manual. Desert Mist Diffuser Operations Manual. And caution paper. What's this? Got a charger of the diffuser here. You can see right here. You just put it down. Let's check the big one. Careful. Let me see. That's really to seal. It's not a slogan, it's our calling. Peppermint, lavender, stress away. Where is stress away? We got lemon. Yes, frankincense. Coca-Eva here, so every oil has a name, purpose, or what's the others? Contract. This one is a roadmap. Okay. Red mix fruit drink. Wolfberry superfruit. It has. Okay guys, so we finally made it to the end of the manual instructions, and finally we completed the diffuser. And our flavor we put in this diffuser is peppermint, which smells like chewing gum. Every time you press the LED light button, it turns to dim, orange, it's blinking, red, hey, orange again, yellow, green, not sure what it's called. also use this for something like night light or something. You can use it for approximately 10 hours of use. You can use it to sleep when you're afraid of the dark. You can use this. And the other thing, it makes many aromas in your house that makes it feel non-smelly. It smells like chewing gum actually, of peppermint. I will try something like lavender, frankincense, and some other oils that I could use to put in this diffuser to make more aromas. And thank you so much guys for watching this amazing video. Hope you enjoyed. This is an unboxing video. Please give this video a like, a big thumbs up in this video, and subscribe to the channel, Clark's Vlogs. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified and updated in my new videos. Thank you guys and peace out. See you in the next upload. Bye!